Hi everyone, this is Tom Coffman with SiteOne Stone Centers. We're here today visiting the Auman Landscape offices where they've installed the Unilock Beacon Hill pavers. These are the Beacon Hill smooth pavers, XL, which is the large format paver, 16 inch by 24 inch. They also installed them with the Copthorne basalt paver on the outside border to accent the product. They also used an Alliance G2 polymeric sand for the polymeric sand base around the perimeter. The 16 by 24 inch pavers are very popular nowadays. They're easy to lay. You get a lot of square footage in every paver. They're smooth, easy to walk on, and they're available at SiteOne Stone Centers. You can also get them online at SiteOne.com.